What if I told you there's a food that can raise your good cholesterol, barely touches your blood sugar, keeps you full for hours, and it's sitting in your fridge right now? Yep, eggs. And the way they affect your diabetes may surprise you. So watch this video till the end. Let's start with the blood sugar shock. The blood sugar shock. Let's start with the biggest shocker. Eggs contain less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. That means when you eat an egg, your blood sugar does something incredibly exciting. Almost nothing. No spike. No roller coaster. Just calm, steady numbers. If your meter had feelings, it'd be sighing with relief. Number 2, the protein power move. But here's where eggs get sneaky in a good way. They're loaded with about 6 grams of high-quality protein each. Not just protein, but the kind your body uses efficiently for muscle, repair, and satiety. And satiety? That's the secret weapon for diabetes. Protein slows digestion, which means you stay full longer, you crave less junk, you naturally eat fewer carbs later. Your blood sugar stays smoother throughout the day. It's basically a built-in appetite break. Number 3, the good fat twist. Eggs also contain healthy fats, and fats slow down how quickly glucose hits your bloodstream. This means, even if you eat eggs with carbs, the rise in blood sugar can be gentler. But here's the twist. Eggs do contain saturated fat, so if you have diabetes plus heart concerns, you may want to watch how many yolks you eat. Most people do fine with 1 to 2 eggs a day, but always check with your healthcare provider if you have heart conditions. Number 4, the cholesterol plot twist. Now here's the plot twist nobody saw coming. For years, eggs were labeled the cholesterol villain. But newer research shows dietary cholesterol doesn't raise blood cholesterol the way we once thought. For most people, eggs can increase your HDL, your good cholesterol. Yes, a food people avoided for cholesterol might actually improve it. That's the part where everyone blinks twice. Number 5, eggs versus what you eat with them. And this is where eggs get framed for crimes they didn't commit. It's not the egg. It's the company the egg keeps. Egg alone great. Egg plus bacon plus white toast plus hash browns blood sugar chaos. So think of the egg as your well-behaved friend. Just don't bring it to the wrong party. Number 6, egg nutrition bomb. Let's talk nutrients. Eggs are basically little multivitamin pods.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin B12. Energy plus nerve health. Choline, brain plus liver function. Vitamin A, immune system plus eye health. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Great for diabetic eye health. All essential amino acids. It's like they were biologically engineered to be useful. Number 7, the big picture. What happens to your diabetes? So when you eat eggs, here's what really happens to your diabetes. Your blood sugar stays stable. Your hunger goes down. Your cravings drop. Your overall carb intake often decreases. Your energy stays steady. Your good cholesterol can rise. You get a hit of nutrients that support eye, nerve, and metabolic health. Eggs don't fix diabetes, but they absolutely can make diabetes easier to manage. To get the most benefits, choose boiled, poached, or air-fried. Pair with veggies instead of sugary breakfast foods. Use whole grain toast instead of white. If you fry them, go easy on oils and butter. Add toppings like spinach, peppers, mushrooms, or avocado. Small swaps, huge effects. So the next time you crack an egg, remember, you're not just making breakfast. You're helping your blood sugar stay calm, your cravings stay quiet, and your metabolism stay steady. Eggs aren't just food. They're a diabetes-friendly strategy. If this video helped you, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you in next video.